Mark, here at Acrona Engineering Limited, you have purchased many fifth axis machines over the years, 3+2, full simultaneous. Now, your latest acquisition, the Hurco VMX42SRTi, what were your considerations when investing in this latest piece of machinery?
Essentially, we're just chasing more complex work, and buying another 3-axis machine wasn't a consideration. This would allow us to do the kind of work that commands, 90, £100 an hour, and that's really what we're looking for, more complex stuff, offline program.
This isn't a kind of typical fifth axis machine, is it? You look at this machine, you've got the C axis built into the bed, you have the tilting B axis, and effectively you could still use this as a 3-axis machine as well as a full simultaneous fifth axis machine?
Absolutely, yeah. It allows us to do our existing repeat work much quicker. Naturally, you can attack 5 sides in one setup, which is hugely beneficial.
Can you give me an example of some of the work you do?
Most of it is sort of low to mid volume. Essentially, it's small, complex, and expensive most of the time. This is an example of one of the parts that we've done recently for one of our better customers. This naturally would have to use the full 5-axis simultaneous process to create, and naturally offline programming. And we're very proud that we're now able to offer this kind of service.
I appreciate that the core of your business is small, intricate and very complex work now, but with this new machine, the envelope is quite large. Does this open up new markets for you?
It does, but we try and stay away from the larger work. But what it does do is allow us to sort of possibly program a nest of parts that we can do a larger volume should we find it necessary.
I mean, yeah, I can see you've got a very large X, Y axis, large C axis rotary table, and the B axis is plus or minus 90 degrees, I believe. Now, in regards to the tools, how many tools does it have?
We can hold 40 tools in this carousel, which saves a boatload of time, really, once you've got them set.
And what about the new Max 5 programming language? I know that you've had Hurcos in the past, so you were familiarised with the older programming language. How, again, has this helped you to produce these complex parts?
Oh, the guys love the software. They always have.
And is it easy to use?
It is, yeah. It's very user-friendly. I mean, essentially, why we went for Hurcos in the first place back in the day was they were easy to program, and it allowed our newbies to get where we wanted them to be a lot quicker.
I know, I'm gathering from this machine you're getting ultimate flexibility and the ease of programming. Now, some people are scared by full simultaneous fifth axis programming. Did Hurco help you and support you in this?
Yeah, Hurco have been fantastic. They're a nice local company to us in Wickham, and they give us phone support at the drop of a hat, and they're over as soon as they can be. We really rate Hurco as a company.
And would you buy another machine such as this?
Not just at the moment, thanks. But absolutely, I recommend this to anyone.